Welcome to our training session on Amazon Organizations, a powerful tool for managing and scaling your AWS resources. This session aims to provide a comprehensive understanding of what Amazon Organizations is, its primary uses, benefits, features, and its associated quotas and costs. What is Amazon Organizations? Amazon Organizations is a service within AWS that enables you to centrally manage and govern your environment as you scale with AWS resources. It allows for the creation of AWS accounts and offers mechanisms to manage these accounts efficiently. Key uses of Amazon Organizations: automate AWS account creation, streamline the process of setting up new AWS accounts, making it easier to expand your cloud footprint. Dedicated security management, set up a dedicated security group to enforce policies and maintain high security standards across your organization. Resource access control, ensure that users have access to only those resources they need, enhancing both security and efficiency. Resource sharing, share common resources like virtual private clouds or VPCs and subnets across different accounts within your organization. Benefits and features: centralized management, manage multiple AWS accounts from a single place. Policy-based control, implement governance strategies through policies that apply across the entire organization or specific accounts. Account grouping, organize accounts into groups, or organizational units or OUs, for easier management. Security and compliance, enhance security and compliance by applying consistent policies across all accounts. AWS Organizations quotas: number of accounts, default maximum of 10 accounts per organization. Number of routes in an organization, limited to 1. Number of organizational units, up to 1,000 OUs in an organization. Policies per type, up to 1,000 per policy type. OU nesting levels, a maximum of 5 levels deep under a route. Handshake expiration, invitations expire after 15 days, handshake records are deleted after 30 days of completion. Cost of AWS Organizations. AWS Organizations is offered at no additional charge. You only pay for the AWS resources used by users and roles within your member accounts. This pricing model makes it an efficient tool for managing large-scale AWS environments without incurring extra overhead costs. Hands-on practice. We are in the AWS console window now. Go to the Services drop-down menu and find Management Governance Services. On the right side of the drop-down menu, find AWS Organizations, then open the link AWS Organizations in a new tab. We are now in the AWS Organizations AWS accounts, and we can see organizational structure here, which is root and other OUs. Go to Invitations subsection where we can invite AWS account. We have Services subsection and we can see disabled services here, but in Policies subsection, Service Control Policies or SCPs is enabled. Let's check Get Started subsection where we can build our organization, go back to main page, and that's all for our short AWS Organizations user interface review. How it works for AWS Organizations? AWS Organizations simplifies managing multiple AWS accounts. Administrators can create accounts, add them to groups, and apply policies to enforce governance and security standards across the organization. Policies can control access, resource usage, and service permissions. Additionally, Organizations enables administrators to enable AWS services across accounts, ensuring consistent access to resources and services. This centralized management approach enhances security, compliance, and efficiency for organizations with multiple AWS accounts. Amazon Organizations is an essential tool for any business scaling with AWS. It simplifies the management of multiple AWS accounts, enforces security and compliance at an organizational level, and allows for efficient resource sharing. This service is especially beneficial for large enterprises with complex AWS environments, helping to streamline operations and maintain governance. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to guiding you further on your AWS journey.